Oh, they're gonna let him.
Okay. There you go, bud.
Who's got 9? Who's got 9?
Drop back, mark up.
Whoa. Nice ball. Yeah, Landon. Yeah, touch. Yeah.